Welcome back, everyone. This week's experiment is one of the most awe-inspiring and mind-blowing experiments you can do at school or at home. It explores the age of our planet Earth and the timing of the key milestones that mark the development of the world that we live in. Scientists know that the universe is about 13.787 billion years old. They know this thanks to three separate sources of evidence that give almost exactly the same result. These are the rate at which stars cool, the rate of cosmic background radiation since the Big Bang, and the expansion of the universe. All of these three different sources of evidence point to almost exactly the same age, which is 17.787 billion years old. Scientists think that our planet Earth formed about 4.6 billion years ago. This is known from the geology of the Earth and many other sources of evidence. Today's experiment explores the development of our planet and when the key milestones happened that shaped the world in which we live. For today's task, you have to measure out a distance of 4.6 meters. You can do this using a measuring tape or even just a piece of string. You can easily measure this using a door. A door is approximately 2 meters long, so 2 and a bit doors will give you your 4.6 meters. This represents the 4.6 billion years of Earth history. Every single millimeter along your scale is 1 million years. That equates to 1 meter being a billion years, hence 4.6 meters. I actually haven't quite got enough room here, so I've had to curve my timeline around this table here. This is the start point. This is where Earth formed, at 0 millimeters along the timeline. 1 meter is 1 billion years. 2 meters are 2 billion years. 3 meters are 3 billion years. 4 meters are 4 billion years. And then the last 60 centimeters are the last 600 million years of Earth's history. For a moment, just look down your timeline and remember that every single millimeter equates to 1 million years of history. How old are you? I'm 41 years old. So my 41 years wouldn't even be visible on this timescale. It's literally nothing in this timescale. It's mind-boggling to think of the age of the planet. Your activity this week is to investigate that concept of geological time. I've marked out 8 key milestones in the history of our planet. The formation of planet Earth, well, that's easy. That's at the very start of the timeline. But when did these other milestones take place? These are the first evidence of life. Where do you think that emerges along the timeline? Or the first animals? The first land plants? Or when animals move on to land? Or the first mammals? Or the extinction of the dinosaurs? Or at least for us, perhaps most importantly, when the first humans emerged? Well, your task this week is to take these 8 key milestones and place each one along the length of your timeline at the point in which you think each one transpired. The first one is easy. The formation of the Earth has to be at the start of your timeline. So I'll put this one over here. You might need to do some research this week to find out some facts behind each of these key milestones. But the results are often very interesting and very surprising. Send in photos of your timeline. I'd love to see your thoughts and your ideas when each of these milestones took place. You have a chance to win a £50 Amazon gift voucher prize. Join me next week to find out the answers. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this experiment really fun and interesting. See you next time.